See here, we have calculated atmospheric pressure using Torricelli's experiment, and that atmospheric pressure, that was 1 atmospheric is equal to, it was 1.013 into 10 raised to power 5 Newton per meter square, and this can be written here 76 centimeter of Hg column. So, this we have calculated using Torricelli's experiment. So, now there are this is Newton per meter square or Pascal is SI unit of pressure. So, SI unit of atmospheric pressure is Newton per meter square or 1 Pascal, or that is the Pascal. Atmospheric pressure is also measured in millimeter or in centimeter of mercury column. So, 1 millimeter of Hg column is equal to 1 torr. And now see here that I have just told you here 76 centimeter of mercury column is equal to 1 atmospheric pressure, and now 1 bar is equal to 10 raised to power 5 pascals. And see here, the bar is used actually for measuring the atmospheric pressure, and now basically in the meteorological processes. And now see here, there is a device also which is used to measure pressure, that is called barometer. So, the Torricelli's designed a device which is known as barometer.